So I don't know if you can see it, but there's some ships, and we're basically in this one spot where there's basically a lot of like shipping. So there's all these crates. It smells like fish as well. I wish I could get back in there, but go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. But and also there's kind of like a street of kind of industrial stuff. Nobody really walks in this direction over here, but so it's kind of interesting place to film. But there's more crates, and when I can get a capture of the wall, I can see ships that dock in and stuff like that. So they're all to my right, and right now there's just a giant wall of like industrial, and then the sidewalk is almost all taken in this area. But that's the kind of stuff I could see like that. So you can see these masks of ships that are off in the side, and we're going to see if we can capture some good view somehow. We'll see if we can or not. But yeah, let's see. I've never really seen this in Macau where people park on the sidewalk, but I guess on this particular street that's quite common, and I guess it makes sense. There's not really many thorough traffic in this area, so most of it would be like that. Anyways, we're gonna try to find an opening. Yeah, these guys all have like a fishing apron on. And here's another space. So yeah, you can see all the cargo coming in off the boats. There's a flag that says Macau and China. Let's see if we can get around another one, and we'll take a look. Hey, yeah, and all these you know, all these ones are just kind of ready, right? Like, so you just fill up these trucks and then you transport it all over Macau. So that's what it looks like. Anyways, like these look like they're all ready to go. So yeah, you just kind of pile them all in with all your seafood stuff or stuff from abroad. Huh. This looks like a bus depot. So the bus is sitting there waiting like it's at the end of the line. Okay, right here we're gonna get in a lot more shipping yard stuff. So anyways, that was a little bit of taste of more of the factories, and then we'll see what's here. Yeah, it might be kind of cool, something different. There we go, there it is. Okay, let's get up here. So now you can see all this stuff. That's cool. So yeah, I guess like you can't really go across here because that would, I guess, be into China waters, I think. So I think all this stuff belongs to China. Like, I don't think Macau is able to use, doesn't have the water rights. I think it's all like China water. Anyways, we're gonna jump back off of here. Just kind of show you a little bit of where we're at. And I think we're gonna save the rest for a whole other video, but I just kind of want to show this whole street right here. So it's just kind of filled with stuff off the docks, and then a lot of stuff's connected to that over on this side too. Okay.